At Gaindu, we develop leak testing solutions tailored to specific production needs of each customer. Depending on the required production volume and number of part diversity, we offer two different concepts, Unitary and Rotary machines. Our Unitary solution is ideal for low-volume production with limited or no part diversity. It provides a simple and reliable setup using pneumatic closures with no hydraulics, which ensures easy maintenance and high reliability. It can be configured for manual or automatic loading, and our plug-and-play design allows quick installation and setup at customer's facility. Our Rotary solution is the optimal choice for higher production volumes and produce larger variety of part references in a single machine. With configurations from 2 to 9 stations and 1 to 3 fixtures per station, this modular dial transfer system provides higher testing accuracy and productivity through simultaneous operations. Splitting testing operations in different stations simplifies fixture design, and it is easier to access for maintenance, increasing overall efficiency. Compact footprint facilitates integration into existing lines. At Gaindu, we evaluate each project to recommend the solution that best fits to our customers.